Seriously, do you really want to improve your English in better way? You are really passionate to speak English with more clarity, confident and fluent English? Then definitely you should watch this video. Trust me, I will give you 4 powerful techniques that will make you fluent in English very less time. And third one is my favorite. So friend, if you don't know me, my name is Suresh and generally I help students to speak better and natural English. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it and if possible share with your friends and family. That would be huge help for me. Alright, so without further delay, let's dive into the video. So first technique that which I am going to reveal here is that choose a video and watch it repetitively. Right. Choose any video in English, whether it is your favorite person's video, favorite speaker, movie star, celebrity, anything. That video available in English, that you must take a 5 to 10 minutes of video and watch that video repetitively 10 times a day for next 10 to 15 days. Yes. Why I'm recommending this? Because see friends, I don't know whether you are in a basic level or intermediate level or any other level. See, when we watch the video in English repetitively, here's what benefits we will get from that action. First thing is that when we watch any video in English repetitively, same video again and again, over and over again, see, we actually know these sentences very clearly. We are not just watching it or listening it. We are just knowing how to frame these sentences correctly. We notice that our subconscious brain, it's a very powerful. It notices everything. So if you do the same action again and again, so it has the power to grasp that thing, grasp that action more clearly. So when we watch that video again and again, we will notice how to frame the sentences correctly, how to speak with other person, how to ask questions, everything. And you collect vocabularies as well. You come across certain new words and you know the meaning of the word, and you will also know how to use that word exactly in the context. That means you are not learning vocabularies individually and memorizing it. You are actually learning vocabularies in the context, in the speech. That means you know very well how to use that vocabulary in the context, right? So this is the wonderful way to learn English very fast. And second technique is that focus on grammar rule. Yes, again you heard me correct. However, English is not our Indian language, so in order to speak better and perfect English, we must know the grammar rule. So yes, many English learners, many English YouTubers, they might say that don't focus on the grammar rules, just focus on the speaking activity. Yes, I also agree with them. See, like I said, English is not our Indian language. You don't necessarily need to know English grammar when we surround with people who speak English very well. In that case, we don't need English grammar, because by speaking with them we can learn the language. But since we are learning this language alone, since we don't have that kind of environment where we can surround and speak with them, in that case we need to know the grammar rule, right? Grammar rule is very important. Just focus on tenses, modal verbs, active and passive voice, direct and indirect speech. So if you know the knowledge on this subject, on the grammar rule, then you can make any sentences perfectly, right? So this technique also help you wonderfully to become more perfect in this language. And third technique is my favorite, and you need to know the grammar rules in order to adapt third technique. Third technique is that see and say method. Yes, what you see in your surroundings, just describe that in English. Since we wake up in the morning to evening time, we go through certain situations, right? We see lots of different things. So what's happening in your surroundings, or what happened in that day, just describe that in English. Take a time to 1 or 2 minutes. So again, this activity is very very powerful. This is my favorite also. If you know the grammar rule, you can make the sentences perfectly. For example, let me describe what see and say method here. Right now I'm sitting in the park, and it is a very peaceful park here. Air also coming very fresh here. And I'm sitting on the wall, just recording a video of myself with my mobile phone. See, whatever activity I am doing here, I'm just saying it in English. Very simple, right? You can also do this yourself, right? So do it. And this is a very powerful technique. So if you do this consistently, you will see significant results. You will see your speaking skill is improving, right? So just take 2 to 3 minutes and start doing this activity, right? And fourth one is that speaking practice. Yes, again it is very important. If you have speaking partner, just practice with them. Otherwise practice with your friends. And if you don't have anyone, then just go to AI chatbots. Yes, just go to Google Gemini, and you can give the prompt like, please act as my speaking partner and ask me basic questions. You can give this prompt to Google Gemini or ChatGPT. They will help you wonderfully, right? And start having the conversation with Google Gemini or ChatGPT. They will help you excellently. So if you follow all these techniques which I have shared with you, definitely you will see significant results, and you'll speak confident English just in 1 month. Yes, you had me absolutely correct, guys. So still I also use this technique, especially see and say method, because it is very powerful method as well. Many English learners and English YouTubers, they recommend this technique to learners so they can use it and speak very fluent English and natural English. So thank you guys. Please let me know whoever taking this challenge, whoever taking this techniques and using and improving their English. Thank you.